So, having measured standard geometry using our geometric tools here, I'm going to show you some other tools that we have in the video edge detection range. The next tool I'm going to show you is the curve tool, which is a profile scanning tool. So here I have a shape which is all within my field of view, and to describe that shape with data points, I simply set a start point, set a scanning direction and an end point, and you can see that the software completely scanned that outside shape. In this case I took 485 data points. I could have taken more or less according to the application requirements. That's a user definable setup. Let's OK that, and you can see now in the middle of my shape I've got a point cloud describing that shape. Let's go for a bigger shape now, using the mouse drag tool again to drive the machine. Let's start here and ask the software to search in this direction and keep going around that part until it's actually described the entire shape. This time the shape is much bigger than the field of view, so the system's having to follow that shape and use the CNC control to actually navigate its way around the entire part. Now, I haven't had to program that, I haven't had to do anything, just give it a start point and an end point that's the same. And now we've got a 2000 data point cloud describing the entire shape. That's a great way of comparing profiles to imported DXFs, thread forms, all sorts of complex shapes that would be almost impossible to describe by combinations of blended radii and other standard geometry. So scanning and best fitting combined with standard geometric measurements is very, very easy to do in the same inspection.
Thank you.